How to change all Facebook posts to only friends. So if you are looking for this, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I am at the home page of Facebook. From here you will be able to explore your various posts and other things over here. In the first step, tap over the 3-bar horizontal line at the right upper corner. And here you have to tap over the settings option at the right upper corner. You'll be directly opened up to settings and privacy. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll be able to see audience and visibility, under which there is a post option. Simply tap over post. So here are two options on the post. The one is who can see your future post, that's related to your post on future. You just can tap over there. And right now I have selected it to friends. You can also tap over the friends and you can select it. And you just have to go back, and here is limit who can see past post. So it's all about the post that is already present on your Facebook account. You just have to tap over there to tap over limit past post, and once again go for limit past post. So by doing that, only limited people will be able to see your post. So this is how you do. I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.